Amanda Haynes, your Orlando Realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Whether you're buying or selling, give me a call to get the best deal for your home. Amanda Haynes with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm in this new home community in Titusville. Let's go inside and have a look. This floor plan actually has the tile for all the main areas of the home, carpet in the bedrooms. You have 1,828 square feet of living space. One thing I like about this community, everything you see is what you get. The only thing not included is the colors on the walls, the ceiling fans, and your washer and dryer. This is your second bedroom. Nice closet to hang your coats. This would be your 2-car garage. Third bedroom. And your laundry room. So the washer and dryer are not included, but all of your other appliances in the kitchen are. You have your dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, and your microwave, the mica countertops, big pantry, the community map on the screen. You can see all of the yellow lots are available. Everything else has been taken. The HOA is only $444 a year. This will be your dining area. And you have your covered lanai. And your gathering room. Lot premiums range anywhere from 0 to 9,000. There are incentives going on. They can change at any moment. But the inventory homes I have listed, you get $5,000 off the price of the home. And then if you use their preferred lender, you get $8,000 off your closing costs. You have your master bathroom, walk-in shower, 2 separate closet areas, again, my name is Amanda Haynes. If you have any questions or want to know more about the inventory homes, please give me a call and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.